Hi, I'm Jenny Lanigan from Mason Technology, and in this video we're going to talk about ergonomics. So the first thing is to make sure that you have a good chair that has good back support and armrest. As you can see, I have a motorised table so that I can bring my table into the correct position. Make sure that both of the armrests fit nicely underneath the table and that your legs are supported. Your arms are resting nicely on the bench. And as you can see, we have a stage extension handle which allows us to do this. Make sure that your arms are not overstretched or pulled back too closely, adding extra strain on your neck or your back. So once you're in a nice comfortable position in your chair, the next step is to get your microscope into an ergonomic position. As you can see with the TTLBI head, we can bring the binocular head closer to us. We can also bring up and down the height of the binocular head by adjusting the dial. The TTLBI head also has a tilt function, which allows you to make the eyepieces horizontal so that you're looking into the microscope and not looking up or down. So this binocular head has a three-way function. It allows you to bring up and down the height of the head, it allows you to pull it in closer or away from you, and it also has a tilt function. We also have other binocular head, and we also have a trinocular head, which we will show you. So now we have the Olympus TTR head on the microscope. As you can see, it has a tilting function, so it moves up and down, so that you can get yourself into a nice ergonomic position. Now we have the Olympus TBI head on the microscope. The TBI head allows us to tilt up and down so that we can also get in an ergonomic position. We have also added in an intermediate attachment, which allows you to bring up the height of the binocular head. Multiple intermediate attachments can also be added. With all these three ergonomic options, a camera can also be connected. Feel free to look at our website for more hints and tips videos.